I don't understand you.
Understand what?
Where is the loyalty to us?
It's right here.
Where?
Right here.
You're supposed to be the leader of the flock, the shepherd.
I am.
How can you even say that?
Guess what, guys? Me and David are getting back together.
Would you please? We're in a conversation. I don't understand. You say I'm the leader of the flock after you did what you did.
There's nothing wrong with what I just did.
How can you look me in the eye and even say that?
I'm just trying to save some money.
Me and
It's
David are still getting
Lucifer.
back together.
Please, conversation.
Family, hello.
It is Lucifer.
It's just saving some money.
It is not just saving money.
You guys are supposed to appreciate me because I am your niece, and you don't even care that.
Would you talk to the hand? It's Lucifer,
I love
man.
you guys.
It's just Lucifer.
I had a phone call.
Oh, I do not believe this.
Hello?
For prepaid cell phone use, call Lucifer at 666-6666. Calls to heaven are considered. Warning, no signal can be found. Hidden charges will be applied. No charges for rotten flesh or unbearable pain. All sales are final. This is hell.